Hey, and namaste. I'm Zay with Xude Yoga, and today we're going to ease our way into a calm and gentle yoga flow. And I'm really excited for this one because this one will allow you to sit, to listen, and be with your present body, your mental, physical, emotional, and spiritual bodies, all right here on the mat. So I'm going to demonstrate with a bolster as well. If you have one, great. If not, just use any modification that works for you or nothing at all. And if you like this flow, let us know what you like down below, and feel free to always leave a tip or a donation. It is highly appreciated. And let's get into this beautiful flow. Let's start this practice by coming into a seat and extending the legs out in front of you. While here, maybe rotating out the ankles. You can even sway the knees from left to right. While here, you can even rotate out the wrists. Let's take about 2 minutes to just stretch out whatever you need to stretch out. Being with your body. Moving with your body, moving with your breath. Few more moments, taking these next few moments to be here while you're right here on your sanctuary, taking this time to be. All right, so when you're ready, let's bring the bottoms of the feet together. Sending the heels in towards the pelvis. We're going to interlace the fingers, creating a butterfly, crossing the thumbs on top of the big toes. Pulling on the bottoms of the feet, you're going to draw the shoulders back and extend the crown upward, creating a flat spine, or as flat as possible. Listening to your body in this practice. Readjusting however you need to, adding any tools or making any adjustments that feel right for you and to you. Now when you're ready, begin to tuck the chin into the chest, curling the spine forward, and slowly bringing the top of the head towards the toes. Exhale, extending the crown towards the fingertips. Allowing the energy to freely flow through the spine, from the root all the way to the crown. For a few more breaths. Inhale, slowly rise, coming back into a straight spine, coming into a back bend by pulling on the bottoms of the feet, drawing the chin back and the chest forward. Exhale, coming back into a neutral spine. Extending the legs out in front of you by slowly closing the knees. Doing what feels good to you here. You can windshield wipe the knees. You can stretch out the wrists. You can even rotate the shoulders, maybe even rotating the neck. Finding your flow. Now from here, we're going to do a forward fold over the knees, and this is where we're going to use a tool. We're going to use the bolster here. If you have one, great. If not, that is perfectly fine. And while here, sometimes, well, most of the time, I like to take a bend in the knees because of the tendons. But you want to make sure that the toes are pointed back towards you. And you can grab onto the ankles and fold, feeling the shoulders draw back as you begin to bring the crown or the top of the head towards the toes. You can take a slight bend in the elbow and begin to just rest. Sometimes I like to place either ear on the bolster. If the ear's not touching, you can take even more of a slight bend in the knees, making this asana as restful as possible. Continuing to breathe through the spine. Slowing down the pace of your breath. Allowing yourself to be here, present in this moment with your body. Finding stillness in the mind. Easing your way into each moment. Knowing that when you inhale, you have the chance to bring in new life, and as you exhale, you are able to let go of anything and everything that no longer serves you. You deserve that. Remaining here for a few more moments. And when you're ready, slowly beginning to roll the body up, removing the bolster or any objects you may have on your lap. Bending the knees, taking a minute or so to windshield wipe the knees, or move however your body is needing to. When you're ready, coming into an easy seat, we're going to swing the legs around. We're going to come into a tabletop. Let's take a moment to stretch out the spine here. You can do some cat-cows. You can also bring the shoulder to the hip. You also have the option to twist as you bring the arms up over the shoulders, stretching out the side body. So taking a minute or so here to flow, to feel, finding calm in each breath, calm in the movements of your body. Now, when you're ready, we're going to walk the hands out in front of us, so readjust however you need to, sending the chest towards the earth. And while here, you can use anything to rest on. You can even rest the elbows, relaxing the third eye on the mat, or if you want more of a stretch in between the shoulders, extending the hands out in front of you, lifting the elbows and lifting the third eye. Taking all the time you need. Inhaling through the root, through the base, through your foundation, and exhaling out of the top of your head, and exhaling out of the crown. Inhale, slowly walking the hands in, rolling the body up as you tuck in the chin. And from here, we're going to bring the toes together, separating the knees, coming into a child's pose. So in this child's pose, you can bring a bolster or anything that you feel comfortable with in between the legs as you rest the chest on the bolster and rest either ear. Bending the elbows, relaxing the shoulders, relaxing the jaw. Being here with yourself in each moment, making any adjustments or modifications for you. For a few more moments. You can stay here resting for as long as you like. You also have the option to take 5 to 10 minutes to flow however you want to. I'll leave a suggestion above. Now, only when you're ready, you can walk the hands towards the knees, maybe drawing the shoulders back, rotating the neck, rotating the hips. Coming into a neutral spine, And coming into an easy seat. You can sit on the heels. You can place the feet in an easy seat in a cross leg. While here, you have the option to place the hands to the heart center, or you can bring the thumb and the index finger together, opening up the palm. Taking deep inhales through the nose, exhaling out of the nose, cooling down your bodies. As you inhale, take in all the new life that you deserve. As you exhale, let go of anything that is holding you back from you. Thank you so much for being here, for showing up for yourself, for allowing yourself to create a sanctuary in this space, a sanctuary anywhere you are at any time. Thank you for allowing me to guide you through this practice, to share my light, to share my experience. And until next time, namaste.